Guys, we are here in Morsky Oko, one of the largest lake in Tatra Mountains with the area of 34.5 hectares. Alam mo, binabasa ko lang guys. Ang laman pala ng lake na yan ay nasa 1.5 million cubic meter. Tingnan natin guys yung lake mamaya at kami nagugutom.
Basa.
Isang basa ako.
Don't stress your mind, we coming home.
Tayo.
Hi guys.
Hi guys, ano kami? Nawawala kami. Kumakain nga pala kami ng bus galing sa Kupani. Tatra Mountain. Namin na sinakyan, 45 minutes ang biyahe. Sabi ko lang, estimated 45 minutes pero 25 minutes.
Magkano pa masahe, Mayor? 15 zloty lang po per head. So, huwag kayong sasakay sa mga private daw kasi mahal, 50 zloty.
50 zloty per head pag private bus.
So, andito na kami. Ayan.
Gusto ko lang narinig.
So, doon tayo aakyat guys. Saan, Mayor? Saan? Turo mo.
Doon sa bundok na yun.
Ayun. See you.
Kayo ng vice ganda rito. Kabayo pala, sorry. May horse riding, 90 PLN per head. So, tayo, maglalakad tayo. Wala kami nun eh.
Hindi, kawawa din naman yung kabayo, Daddy, di ba? Diyos ko. Tapos doon sa entrance doon, magbabayad kayo ng 10 zloty per head. Pero pag
single.
Oo.
Pero may kasama.
Pag
group
of 10, pag group of 10 kayo, may bayad na 5 zloty lang, no? Pag 10 pataas.
Minimum 10.
9?
Parang less ka lang ng 10.
Less ka lang ng 10. So, ayan, pag ayaw nyo maglakad, ayan, pwede yan. 90 zloty.
Ang galing ng kainan nila.
Oo,
Nakalagay
isa.
na sa bunganga nila. Kalikasan ay paglaban.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like.
And guys, after 1 hour and a half tayo naglakad, yun makikita nyo mayroong patag dito, pwede ka magpahinga at meron din toilet. So convenient talaga yung pag-aagawa ng Morsky Oko, papuntang Morsky Oko guys. So napakasulit yung pag-akyat nyo ng bundok kasi pakikita nyo yung pinakamagandang tanawin natin dito. Sa Pulan lang to guys. I love Pulan.
Yan.
Pag naginamon sa doon ako pa.
Patingin.
Sarap. Nakaka-refresh ang tubig dito guys. So sulit na sulit yung pag-akyat namin. So pwede rin siyang inumin. Napakatamis.
Ang lasa.
Ang sarap. Gago! Gusto ko may tao. So guys, pag sasakay pala kayo ng kabayo, paakyat ng Morsky Oko, hanggang dito lang pala yung kabayo. So maglalakad pa tayo ng mga 30 to 45 minutes. So samahan nyo kaming maglakad. Lakad. Pagoda na ako guys. Masyadong halos 3 hours na kami naglalakad. So aakyat pa kami doon guys. Napakataas pa. Okay, see you later. So nga guys, hindi pa kami nakakarating sa taas at hindi nakisama ang panahon at bigla na lang siyang umulan. Guys, we are here in Morsky Oko, one of the largest lake and Tatra Mountains with the area of 34.5 hectares. Alam mo, binabasa ko lang guys. Ang laman pala ng lake na yan ay nasa 1.5 million cubic meter. Tingnan natin guys yung lake mamaya at kami nagugutom.
Basa.
Morsky Oko, or Eye of the Sea in English, is the largest and fourth deepest lake in the Tatra Mountains, in southern Poland. It is located deep within the Tatra National Park in the Ryby Potok, the Fishbrook Valley, of the High Tatras mountain range at the base of the Migajawicki summits, in Lesser Poland Voivodeship. In 2014, the Wall Street Journal recognized the lake as one of the 5 most beautiful lakes in the world. Morsky Oko was rediscovered for tourism by Dr. Titus Cholubinsky in the mid-19th century. The first shelter was built there in 1836 but burned down in 1865. A second shelter, built in 1874, burned down in 1898. In 1902, a road from Zakopane was completed and named the Oswald Balzer Road. Since 1933, following the return of sovereignty, the lake has been owned by the Polish state.